sometimes my microphone is working, sometimes it's not, but because I have so many products, this is gonna be a second part of my skincare, body care haul. So let me dig in. Another jar of the avocado face cream for dry and tired skin, and yes, comes in a big jar, so I'm gonna use it for a little bit. I mean, it's gonna last me for a little bit. Something neat, which we don't have it here, it's the Garnier Deodorant. Garnier Mineral, invisible black and white colors, anti-white marks, anti-yellow stain, anti-fading, anti-perspirant, fresh aloe, supposed to last for 48 hours. And it looks like this. It does smells nice. This is almost empty. If I can compare it to something, is the Secret Clinical. Not exactly on that level, but at this thing works, and I do like the neat sleek package. I have vitamin C from Face Mania. Vitamin C with 15% vitamin C, ferulic acid, goji extract, baraceol, green tea extract, vitamin E, 15% vitamin C. Before I bought it, I was using another product which unfortunately oxidized on me. So when the sales associate recommend this one, I was like, yeah, sure, let's go, because it cannot get worse than the product which I'm already using, and I'm glad I bought it, because this one, when I bought it, was clear, and look, it's still clear, and I've been using it for the last few weeks. And so far, I do like it. I'm happily surprised. But yeah, so far, so good. From Garnier, I have their body lotion with the maple syrup. It's very dry skin and regenerating body lotion. From this line, they also have body cream, which I never tried the body cream because the lotion is good enough. And I do enjoy their what is it, the red line. Within that line they have few different colors, and the sad part, we don't have those lotions here. Always when I'm in Europe, I'm gonna bring at least 2 or 3 of those bottles, because they are really worth it. I have one of those, check it out. I have second one, so yes, this is gonna last me for a while. And I got 400 ml, so they're gonna be used really soon. From the same line, I have their foot cream. Yeah, because previously I showed with the hand cream, and this is new to me. That's their foot cream. Intensive care for damaged skin with, what was it? Maple syrup and allantoin. Okay, we shall see. I have still more products left. From Nivea, I have their Q10 moisturizer with CoQ10 and creatine. Earlier, I showed with the CoQ10 serum, and this is a moisturizer from the same line, which no, I didn't try it. But this line, it's very popular in Europe, and no, I'm not gonna open it because I still have other creams to go through. But once I'm done with them, I'm gonna start using some of the products which I'm showing. From Jaya, I have their a moisturizer for normal and dry skin, and that's the one which I'm, let's say, using it. Already went through some of it because I was flying so much. Come on, I need some hydration. I need something hydrating, and that's the one which is currently in my rotation. It has a nice pleasant scent. It's very light, and it does provide hydration. Yeah, that smells really nice. Ooh. And this is the 3.4 ounce 100 ml. Same brand. I have their goat milk hand cream, which is for dry and wrinkle hands, which is supposed to regenerate and make them smooth. I used this one in the past and I do like it. has, what is it, the goat milk, vitamin A, E, B5. It's one of those creams which you can keep it in your purse, and you can still use it in between the hand washes because it's not gonna make them look greasy, but your hands will look way better. Schwarzkopf, I have their mousse hold 5 cashmere like suppleness. From this brand, I have their hairspray, and I did like it. I even purchased 2 cans. Obviously, it's already gone, and I don't know if I bought it by mistake or I thought I can use it. So that's their mousse, which yes, I'm using sometimes, but I prefer hairspray than the mousse. But since I have it, I will have to put it into use. Besides this, there was more hair care and body care which I use. However, those products usually come in a bigger containers, and there was no point of me carrying the empty containers just to show it to you, because I rather use that space for something else. But at least I can show you what I have right now. I have another deodorant from Garnier. This one is with skin and clothes, anti-humidity, odors, anti-irritation, odor transfer, white marks, yellow stains, and no ethyl alcohol, fresh roller. Okay. Only fresh. Yeah, it is kind of fresh. So like earlier I showed the pink one. This is a purple one from from Garnier. I believe it's their SPF. Garnier anti-dark spots, anti-pollution super UV protection fluid with hyaluronic acid, invisible finish, anti-eye stinging, dark spots, 6 pollution. Okay, I think it's their take on the Shaka fluid from La Roche-Posay. But yeah, I'm like, definitely I'm gonna give it a try. So that's the sunscreen from Garnier, and you're getting 40 ml, so it's less than 1.7 ounce. Neutrogena Hydro Boost, it's a very popular line. I did enjoy their serum with the suspended vitamin E. I went through few containers of it and I did like it. However, I cannot buy that product in the States anymore, but I did purchase one in Europe, and I'm glad I did because I miss it. And now when I look at it, maybe I should pick up 2. However, I'm not gonna be greedy, and I'm glad that at least I have one. Hyaluronic acid, trehalose, vitamin E, supercharged serum, and that's what it is. I use it after I apply my vitamin C because vitamin C it's a little bit sticky, and then I'm gonna just apply hyaluronic acid and follow with my moisturizer.